Cows can't sweat. Why? They lack the ability to regulate core body temps. Heat stress. In the US, it causes 897 million in losses, and it's only getting hotter. Cows in distress get sick and experience reduced milk output, low fertility, pregnancy loss, lameness, lack of appetite, and mortality. Introducing cow shades, solar shade structures that provide power for irrigation, pumps, and charging stations. Power at the source, lowering utility bills, aggregate load for large machinery, and dispatchable loads for emergencies and utility incentives. Now that's one powerful cow. Cow shades. Moo!